Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how you can write an ebook using Chatgpt. You can take the screenshots of the prompt by pausing the videos. First of all, I'll ask Chatgpt to write me a few ebook titles related to YouTube marketing. So here are some titles. You can select the one you like. Now I'll be asking ChatGPT to write me an ebook outline about setting up a YouTube channel as well as creating and monetizing videos. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to write an introduction for me. Let's ask it to write each paragraph. Now I'll ask it to write a conclusion. These were some prompts you can use to write an ebook. After writing it all, you can copy paste it on Microsoft Word. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.